guys, welcome back to another episode of Damon, Dave, Amelia. I think I'm hilarious. The guys and I just separated. They want to go to the airport, take off to Canada to go home and see their families while I have the R8. I'm gonna see what kind of trouble we can get into today. Hopefully no fires this time. All right, just got a call from Raymond. We got something really exciting for you guys in the works tonight. Picked up the car. There's a check engine light, there's no AC, but you guys already know that's my fault because I'm the girl in the group. Look at you!
Amelia!
Dude, long time no see. How are you?
They asked for it. We gave it to you guys. Emilia and Raymond is on the vlog. Girl, you better come over here. How you doing? What's going on, everybody? I missed you guys.
I mean, shopdde.com.
I mean, I just want to let them know in front of everybody. I know I'm causing traffic, but shopdde.com. You guys know the deal. We got some crazy stuff we're about to do today, huh?
Yeah, no, we got something really cool planned, actually. You are a certified Uber driver, correct?
I mean, certified. I got my license with this, but I didn't want to show it to y'all. You know, you I see. So, DD fan.
You should pick up people as an Uber driver in the R8.
That would be the most hilarious thing in the world, to be honest. I think that's a great idea.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
So for those of you guys who are new to the channel, this is the DDE R8. It is a V8 gated, and this, it's a race car. It looks sick. It's gonna scare some people, and I think we're gonna have fun.
I wonder what people are gonna react when they see the car pulling up.
Around the corner right here. Let's pull up your app, yeah, and see if we match with anyone.
All right, let's do this. All right, guys, you see that face? It's real. It's about to get real.
Let's see how much money you make with this in tips today.
Well, I hope so. Hey, you guys better tip me, man. You see this car? This car is beautiful. You see the guy driving it? Oh, we got a call. Alex.
Like that.
It is on. Let's go pick up Alex.
Let's do it.
This is embarrassing.
Yeah, I'm a little short. I'm not that short, you guys. I'm 5'6".
And I'm 6'4". So you know the difference with that.
Let's just hope there's not more than one person.
What? Why did we plan for this?
Bro, why don't we have the Hummer?
That would have been a great idea. Oh, well.
The Hummer will be the next video.
We'll have to double up.
All right, I'm gonna go like hide in a bush and see if we can get this. They don't look happy, oh my god.
Alex?
It's two of us, how are we supposed to spin in here?
Oh girl, you better get in here, we can double up, it's an R8. Get in the car, girl. You Alex, right?
Yes, I am.
Let's go. I'm your Uber driver today.
Okay.
Hold on, let me see how I unlock this car. How do I unlock this? Oh, here it is. My bad. See?
Are you sure about this?
Girl, let's go.
Are you?
Let's do this.
How we?
Come on, back up the seat. Let's do this. We can double up. We can double up.
Oh my god, two of them are getting in the car.
Right. Okay, girl. Sit on her lap. How y'all doing? I'm Raymond. I'm your little Uber driver today.
This guy's filming it.
So, yeah, this is my personal car, as y'all can tell.
You sure? You know what you're doing?
I'm a girl. You better recognize. So, I'm a professional driver. This is what I do for a living. I'm an Uber driver. They told me I couldn't use this car, but I don't listen to the rules. How y'all loving the car right now?
Awesome.
Okay?
I never had an Uber driver with this type of car.
I mean, you never seen a beautiful brother driving a beautiful car like this. So it's special to you guys today. I'm telling y'all, speed, girl. Speed, that's all it really is, you know? I just bought it.
Oh.
Okay, I'm gonna be honest with you. It's not even mine. I completely lied to you. This is my buddy Dave's car. He's on vacation.
You stole his car?
Listen here, girl. It ain't stealing if he don't know about it. So, thank you, sir. Yeah, hey, if you don't pay child support, you could get one of these too.
I can't be dying. I got a career.
Well, you got a career?
Yeah,
what you do, girl?
Uber.
Hold on, what you do, girl?
I'm a rapper.
Oh, you a rapper?
I'm a rapper. I got balls.
Hey, bust a little freestyle for the show real quick. It's a family show, like Family Feud, so like. It's
okay.
What's up? What you got?
Yo, when they come to rap, listen, that's all that's in me. Came a ways from a penny, diamonds wetter than willies, but they pushed me to the side for those that can't rhyme. Rather go and get the IG chicken cosign. But a 600K just can't compare to my hunger. I ain't come from Oklahoma, but my motor is thunder. On the road inside a rover that I wished on a clover, and I can't really see the grass because it's all bad.
first time I actually did this, and thank you for sharing this enjoyment with me.
I'm giving 5 stars, but once you gotta cancel the ride first, and then once we end the ride.
Get in my car. Get in my car.
It
Get in
won't
my
let
car.
me do 5 stars yet. Yeah. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, guys.
Have a good one.
Hey, for real though, give me 5 stars though.
Okay, I will.
I need it. I need it.
There's something that I want to talk to you, DDE fam, about. It's about the comments in the last video. Nah, I'm just messing with you guys. Honestly, I don't care. I am who I am, and at the end of the day, as long as I'm happy with that, that's all that matters. I'm not rich. I'm not extremely well off. I work hard. You know, I used to work 4 jobs while going to school part-time just to be where I am today. So that being said, you guys, I understand I don't have a supercar. I have to earn my stripes. I'm working towards that. I want to know in the comments what supercar you guys actually think that I should get. I'm leaning towards JDM, but I'm also open to something Italian. You know, we could do an R34 GTR, we could do an NSX, or complete 180. I could do a 360 Medina. You know, Liberty Walk just came out with a kit for it. Let me hear your thoughts.
No! Get in the car!
You got 5 stars?
5 across the board.
Did you get
Dave,
phone
look at
numbers?
me. I mean, I didn't get the phone number because I thought she knew my baby mama, so we ain't trying to have all that. But let's go pick somebody else up.
Yeah, let's keep doing this.
All right. Anybody call me.
Nope.
Oh, see, I told y'all. Like, it just works like that. Got that Raymond flavor. Genie.
Genie. Okay, Genie.
It better be Genie because, like, if it's something completely different, my bad, Genie.
We're at Bed Bath & Beyond right now.
Oh my God. This is Genie. Hold on. Genie?
Are you Raymond?
Yes, you're Uber driver. Girl, you better get in this car.
How do you open the door?
Open the
How
door.
is this Uber?
Oh, she got in. She got in the car. She didn't deny him.
I'm going to work.
All right, let's do this. Let's let the people by. Yeah, it's my car. How you like the car though?
So you drive Uber?
I drive Uber. It's letting me know that I am awesome. I dig it. Oh.
Are you sure this is your car?
It's my car. It's my car. I just lightly scratched
We're okay.
the fender. I apologize, Dave. It was a low surface. So anyways, look, come on, it's my car. Like, nah, I'm just joking, it ain't my car. It's my buddy's car.
And you just driving Uber
Once
with
again,
it?
I apologize, Dave, about that. Yeah, I'm just driving Uber, making some money while he's out of town. And I just wanted to show how awesome this car is. How you like it?
I like it.
Loud, huh?
It is very loud.
I mean, you like cars? Well,
like
obviously you
cars.
like cars because you in an awesome car with an awesome brother. You need to subscribe to Daily Driven Exotics. You really do.
Where's Dave at?
Dave's in Canada. Right, Dave? Dave's in Canada.
Hi, Dave.
Say, wait till Dave seeing you right there on the vlog.
Hi, Dave.
Oh, see, girl, I got you
This
here
was the
safely.
best ride ever.
I mean, you got the best Uber driver in the
Be
world.
careful with your car.
Get out of here, girl.
We've got our next Uber guy. His name is Nick, and Raymond should be pulling up any second. Let's see how this goes. Oh, he's not happy.
You Raymond?
Yes, sir?
This is a Toyota Camry.
I know, but I'm your Uber driver, though.
Where's Raymond?
I'm Raymond. What are you talking about?
What is this? I'm not getting into that. What are you kids doing today? This is not. Where's my Uber? What are you doing?
So you don't want to get in the car?
No.
Oh my god, he's not
It's
happy.
all right, sir. I apologize. Sorry.
Get out of here.
You don't have to talk to me like that, though.
Get out of here.
Whoa.
Get.
Relax, bro. You really don't have to talk to me like that.
I'll tell him in a second, this is just a YouTube video. It was just a prank. I'm so sorry.
What?
It was just a prank. We're just YouTubers. We're just making a video. It's just supposed to be a joke. I don't mean to offend
Well, it
you.
wasn't funny.
That dude really got mad,
He was
though.
pissed off.
He got mad that it wasn't the car that he asked for. I think it was a Toyota Camry that I wrote down.
And I totally get it, but we're just trying to film a skit where we're not hurting anyone, and
Yo, he was really mad.
He was
though.
mad.
Okay, one more.
One
This
more.
has to go perfect. Like,
Okay.
I'm not doing this again. If somebody's gonna yell at me, this doesn't even make any sense. You guys are not paying me that much good. Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are. You know.
all right, we got our next person. We're picking them up at Ralph's right now. Where's he going?
Yeah, I'm up off the trunk. This brother went to the back. No, the trunk, the front. It's a supercar, my brother. Oh, so you okay. Okay.
That's your Uber?
Yeah, this is the Uber.
That's what's up, bro.
I got you all day, bro.
That's the cleanest Uber I've ever seen in my life.
I got you. Come on, man. I'm up in here, Jay. Yeah, this is your Uber today, buddy.
All right.
No complaints, right? Better than the
None that I could think of. A little better than the Camry.
Huh? Do you like this car though?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Is this your first time in an R8? Wait, quick question. Do you know what kind of car this is?
It's an Audi R8, yeah.
So you're a car guy, huh?
Yeah, I actually race Porsches on the weekend.
You're a racer.
My uncle and I do some Porsche racing on the side.
Okay, brother. I see you. Yeah, this is Daily Driven Exotics. This is what we do.
Yeah.
Nice car, man. This is just my Uber.
I just caught a ride.
This is just my passenger. I just wanted to pass by. Hey, you guys watch YouTube, Daily Driven Exotics. This is what we do here.
Over here on the right is perfect.
Okay, my good sir.
Raymond, my man.
Well, brother, hey.
Not even mad.
Let's be real though, real quick. You gonna give me 5 stars though, right?
I'll think about it.
Man, I love you, James, man. You the best. You the best, man. Let me pop this front for you real quick.
Appreciate you, Raymond.
I got you, brother. Wait, Dave, just give me this car, man. I'm making money and having fun. Brother didn't even pay me. Hey, James! Emilia's crazy. Emilia's crazy.
No, I think the car just broke.
You think so, for real?
I tried peeling out of the gas station, something that, you know, it's not like we haven't done before. Bro, go figure. As I take the car, I'm gonna be responsible for something on this.
No, let's be clear. I didn't do it. I didn't do it.
So I put it in first right now and the car doesn't drive.
Oh.
Do you hear that? In back?
Don't think
Worst
that.
spot right now too. God damn it.
Of course it happens to Raymond and Emilia.
Something always goes wrong when I drive this car. I'm starting to wonder
Did you do this on purpose? I'm scared. I'm actually scared. Let's check this car.
It's officially the curse slayer.
To be honest, I think it is. This R8's cursed. I'm pretty sure this R8's cursed.
Yeah.
The Murcielago just got out of jail, and now the R8's go bye-bye.
Just fixed the R8 and now the R8's down again.
We got to get Dave a new supercar.
Yeah.
V10?
Or 12. I don't know if he's ready for a 12.
Let's get him a
Start with the 10.
Let's get him a 16. Get him a Bugatti.
You broke Dave's Ferrari? I mean, I think it'd only be true if we just left it here. It's Dave's problem now.
What's up?
What did you do?
I think the clutch went out.
Oh no.
The sound we were hearing in the back is the axle. Do you want to shake that so I can, you guys can hear it? Wait, can we pop it back in?
You have to take the wheel back off. You have to get the
Pull the axle straight out. Take a new one.
I told you didn't do nothing, Emilia. I
on.
told you.
Check this out. There we go.
What up?
Sick. Liberty Walk Huracan.
Yeah, full Liberty Walk kit. Carbon fiber everywhere. Underglow.
I like it.
Yeah. I like it. Sick.
Yeah.
Bring that
Alright, this tow truck is saving our lives right now. This is actually a Seadrill. What's going on, dude? How you doing?
How are you? What's up, bro?
Raymond.
What's up, man?
We needed you bad.
So he's actually towed cars for me in the past, so you came in clutch being by your phone today.
Exactly. Yeah. You got the key?
Yeah. You got the key, right?
I'll drag it up.
So apparently he just got done towing a Performante before this. I have full trust.
Same thing.
You could be blocking traffic right now with your shoes.
I am helping people to see what's going on there. We have a road hazard guy.
So the tow truck driver wants to be extra cautious about the tow hook, and I'm in the car in case it breaks. Because everything on this car breaks. I'm here to slam on the brakes. These are the guys who saved us tonight. We've been waiting here for hours. Thank you so much for helping us out. Sad to see the R8 on a trailer again. Feels like destiny.
Feels like destiny. 100%.
versus the Tesla.
I think so too, but I'm gonna scrape right now. Watch.
Oh god.
Oh, there we go.
Oh yeah, you scraped.
I think we cheated.
I think so too. I think we jumped the line there a little bit. 1, 2, 3.
Here's a scrape. Oh!
That sounded like it cracked the lip.
Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta say, you know, I honestly thought this might take the Tesla, but I think the Tesla's just that much faster.
Yeah, the Tesla's
It's pretty quick
yeah.
and
It's
quiet too.
really torquey.
Cops have no idea.
We just won't launch.
Okay, no launch control.
No launch
race.
control here, guys. You ready?
Yeah, let's do this.
Tesla Model X P100D against the Huracan. We're doing this. Let's go. On 3.
On the horn. You're doing the horn.
Yeah.
Okay.
On 3. Ready? You got it.
So we are here at the beloved AGX. The R8 is here as well. Look at this clearance. This guy's a pro. A professional.
It's autopilot.
Oh my god, this clearance is insane, but he did it no rub. Nothing. He straightened this car like one of his own. Yeah, you see the last video?
I didn't do it.
Broken R8 brings us back to AGX.
That's the old, and guess what? They're open, not 24/7.
They're closed. What is
doors-
this?
The doors are closed. They actually do go home. It's only when me and Amelia end up having this problem that they decide to close the
Why
shop.
all of a sudden is it our problem?
Because we in it together, girl.
There we
we in
go.
it together. If I go down, I'm dragging you with me. Together.
Teamwork.
It's teamwork.
Thank you guys so much for watching. That was an absolutely insane day, from Uber rides to the R8 breaking down to now being back here at AGX. You guys, make sure you cop that merch, shopdde.com. Smash that subscribe button. Make sure you give this video a like, and I'll see you trolls in the comments. We out here.
Hello.